To create reports with Metron-IQ, you have to supply it with images, typically radiographs. And this can be done two ways. You can browse them from your computer, or you can DICOM send them to the Metron-IQ cloud. Let's, for simplicity, show you how to just browse and use images on your computer. So to get started, you come up here and you click Create New Report, and you'll be prompted for an owner, the animal name. So let's put in an owner, Joe Smith. Add that owner to the system. And now is the animal a horse, dog, or cat? We'll say a dog. We'll add a new patient named Fido. We can specify an age of the dog, a sex and neutered status, breed, and so forth. Let's say that he's a poodle. Add that patient to the system and pick a date. This is the date the images were taken on. And now we can drag and drop files here or click to upload. And let's find some images. Okay, so let's take an image like this. In fact, let's upload two images. You can highlight two and open them, and they show up here. It'll show that they're a radiograph. If this is not set automatically, then you have to choose the modality here, but it automatically detects radiographs. So we'll do that and click upload, and now you'll see down here, report successfully created. View it under view reports. So here's our first report in our system for Fido, canine, owner's Joe Smith. We could have put in a patient ID, an owner ID, etc. if we wanted to. And now we can click here on the View button to view the report. And we build a cover page. I'll later show you how you can set up your own logo here, your own artwork for your clinic on the cover page. And then here's the first image. This is the VD pelvis image. We've analyzed the hips, and you see that Metron-IQ always starts out with a ready for review watermark on the image, and I'll show you how to clear that in a second. And then the next page is the cardiac thoracic ratio from the VD view of the thorax. And so there's our report built. If we want to edit the report, click the Edit and Review button, and here is where you can decide to adjust markup. On the right shows you a reference image, and on the left is our image. And if you don't agree with how the AI picked the points, you can move them around and then say save, and it'll update that image. So the editing allows you to change the AI results if you don't agree with the AI results. Once you're happy, you highlight it and say accept markup, and that clears the watermark. On this image, it's done properly, we're sure, so we'll just click accept markup. So it's very easy to review them. Usually the AI has done a good job, and now we can view the final report. There's a cover page. First image, we measure the size of the heart from the VD view, show that relative to a histogram of 14,000 dogs. If you're in the green zone, it's sort of normal. That's the central 70% of the sample space. There's some clickable references if you're not sure what this measurement means or is used for. And then the hip report, we're looking at the quality of the hips, and we have a distribution here based on 29,000 canine hips, and we show where these two are both above average. They're in the second quartile, so that's good. And again, clickable links to information about these measurements. So that is creating and editing a report. In the next video, we'll show you how to share the report with others.